Banana bread. It's not popular, or at least it wasn't popular in my country, and I never had it until I made it myself. I don't know how this country lived without banana bread so far, but I know it became a pretty common dessert in our house. It's a great dessert that you can fully customize with different dried fruits or nuts. This also has a really soft and moist texture that's really a pleasure to eat. So yeah, let's go make it. Okay, first of all, chop some nuts or buy them already chopped. I like to chop them myself to have different sizes. Now take a bowl, add the flour, some baking soda, cinnamon, and of course a little salt. Use a tiny whisk to mix this a little. In a bowl, you should mash your bananas. Use some ripe ones for better taste. But as much as they're not green, they're okay. Now add some sugar on top of some room temperature butter and use an electric mixer to mix this for around 2 minutes. Add 2 eggs and mix again for another 2 minutes. Don't forget to scrape the sides, of course. Add Greek yogurt along with the mashed bananas and some vanilla extract. Mix this together until incorporated. Now add your dry ingredients and mix a little with your mixer turned off if you don't want flour dust all over your face, and then use low speed for a few seconds until incorporated. Add the nuts and fold them. You can add raisins or other dried fruits in there if you want to. Put a parchment paper on your baking pan and add your mixture to it. My baking pan is around 22 by 12 centimeters. Try to spread it around and give it a big bonk on the table. Cook it at 180 degrees Celsius for around 1 hour. Before removing it from the pan and cutting into it, let it cool off to room temperature. And this is a big boy. I changed the wooden board because it was almost the same color and it was hard to see. We're gonna cut it and take a look inside. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider leaving a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more as I post every week. See ya next time. Okay, but I need to cut one more slice. This is just too good.